Hello traders, it is Erica at Alpha E Trades. It's Wednesday, May 5th, almost 1 p.m. in the States, Eastern Time Zone, and quick intra-day market update. We're currently sideways, and I don't have a whole heck of a lot of going on the charts here, but 4-hour chart in front of us on ES. Let's take a look here. So interesting, we've got the blue 50 exponential moving average just punched down into the yellow 200. This could suggest that we do have another leg to the downside. A little bit of a tricky scenario here though, because here's our buyers here, traders. What we could see, here's our buyers, and then down here's our sellers. Okay, so again, here's our buyers, here's our sellers. If the buyers were to close above this particular breach point, we do have the resistance here. It is possible that we could see the market come in and test the yellow 200 exponential moving average. Okay, so let's put in a quick projection, kind of if this were to close. Okay, so here's our sellers down here. If this were to mature, so to speak, let's do a potential price projection. Okay, so 100 extension would be the ultimate target if this were to confirm and close, 42.12. However, though, traders, here's our sellers down here. If the market can get back down there and have a close, what we're going to see is this. Okay, so here's our sellers, and then we target down to 40.96. That would be target 1. 141 extension would be 40.62. So a little bit of a waiting game here. I have two different scenarios here, and that's usually what we happen when we have sideways here. Okay, so that's what's going on the 4-hour chart. NQ, let's take a look at the 60-minute chart. Okay, there may be a tiny pattern here. Let's take a look. So we'll take from this swing high down to this low, and we'll project it from here. Okay, on NQ, here's our sellers right here, and here's our buyers. Okay, so again, oops, I'm locked here. It's not going to allow me to do that. Okay. So again here, traders, here's our buyers on NQ, here's our sellers. A little bit of a similar situation on ES. Okay, so if this were to trigger here, traders, let's take a look. We're going to target 100 extension, which is 13,506. That'd be target 1. 141 would be target 2. So that's 13,456. And then let's take a look down here at our third target, 200 extension. Okay, nice correlation coming in down into support here at 13,382. So again here, traders, here's your buyers right here. Here's your buyers, here's your sellers, and in between we have all this chip chop. Okay, so I would certainly wait for a close below sellers and or above the buyers, and then we should have some momentum follow through. All right, so that's what we've got going on NQ. This is a 60-minute chart. I don't have anything on RTY set up just yet, so I'm going to skip that for now. So this is what we've got going on for today. We'll be back tomorrow to see how this played out. And so it looks like potential possible pullback. I'm already short on micro contracts. I'm going to move my stop in, lock this out, and I'm just targeting down into today's lows. All right, traders, we'll be back in tomorrow, and we'll catch you then.